This video shows how to buy shares of Manolete Partners Plc, a UK claims management company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker MANO.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade shares. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and enter the ticker MANO.L to find the listing. Select the matching result to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, check basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Verify the listing shows Manolete Partners Plc and the ticker MANO.L. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order will wait until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, eToro will ask you to add money before confirming. After the trade, you will see your position in the portfolio. Check the link in the description for the eToro sign-up if you want to follow the demonstration.